Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey in the world of technology and data? Join our 2-month paid internship program in data analytics, data science, AI/ML, and full-stack development using Python and Java. Why should you choose our internship? Let us tell you. 1. Gain real-world experience. You'll gain hands-on experience working on real projects, tackling industry challenges, and solving complex problems. 2. Expert guidance. Our team of experienced professionals will guide you every step of the way, providing you with expert insights and mentorship. 3. Skill enhancement. Enhance your skills in data management, AI/ML, and full-stack development. We believe in empowering you with the right knowledge and tools to excel. 4. Networking opportunities. So, who's eligible to apply? We welcome students in computer science and related fields. If you are a dedicated learner ready for a dynamic 2-month internship, ready to kickstart your tech career, apply now by clicking on the link provided and secure your spot. Spaces are limited, so don't wait too long. Begin your journey toward a successful tech career today.